Hi, in this video, we will learn how to use absolute cell reference in Excel. Here we have a list of sales values and we want to calculate their percentage of total sales. First, click on the cell where you want the percentage. Type equals, then select the first sale value, then type slash and select the total sales value. Your formula will look like equals C2 by C114. Press enter and then click on the cent icon in the Home tab under the number section. You will get the percentage. But now if you copy this formula down, you will notice an error. The formula changes from equals C214 to equals C3 C15 equals C4 C16 and so on. We don't want the bottom number C14 to change. We want it to stay the same. To fix this, click inside the formula and press F4 while your cursor is on C14. If you use a laptop keyboard, you may need to press FN plus F4. This adds $signs, making it an absolute reference. Now, when you copy the formula down, it will work correctly. The top value will change C2, C3, C4, but C14 will stay the same because of the absolute reference. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.